For this mini meditation, simply find a comfortable position, whatever that might be, and notice things. You might just notice how your body is seated, the feet are touching the ground, the hands on your lap. You might notice your breath. What's the quality of the breath? Is it deep or shallow? Slow or fast? You may notice the sounds. Maybe it's loud where you are, there's music. Or perhaps it's quiet and there's not many sounds surrounding you. You can even notice your internal state, your thoughts, your emotions. And this is all mindfulness is about, just noticing, without judgment, with kindness, not trying to change anything. All it takes is 1 or 2 breaths in and out, and paying attention. So you can do this meditation even if you have just 2 minutes, even in a break between activities. And after you've done this short mindful check of how you feel and what your environment is like, you can return to your surroundings, back to work, back to activities, slightly more aware that you are here right now. I hope you enjoyed this mini meditative break. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.